So quickly, all right, I do want to wrong by Yameti. I say, be very funny. So once again, you can also share now. What share? Very important. Share now. Afufro sunya be money in your waste. See, okay. And quickly, weekends edition. Quickly, So, Enra, yesterday we talked about irregular verbs. See, we saw ana, we saw verb estar, we saw ser, we saw blah 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 blah. Haber, immense. See, now you wrap past tense, you know, but because of time and Timan said that capture me. So and then quickly, mind you, we've done present tense in Catalan. Now we are doing past. See, so time we will do this future. So but there you know your present tense, you know. Past and future, no, and see, and so we will be if someone can still remember what I said yesterday. What did I say? How is the past tense in Catalan form? How is it formed? So go ahead and run over her. What they do is, French, those speaking French. Il faut que passé composé. C'est passé composé. This is French. French, so passé composé, no? So it's like composed past. And that's the past tense they use for Catalan, and it's the easiest. Or more another type of past no but the usual one I use to any the simplest, you know. So let me just go back. And what like I say, month we know, full month ning na Alfred birthday, Mr. We are the Februarians, and what about Bia? And I just say, oh, wish him happy birthday. Month ning na me birthday, Madame Roma, sanity. So yesterday we said, Bamdi ka. See? Sentence na use it. Bamdi ka. So we said that. What is it? Bama. Into make us no example grabber. Bamdi ka. We said that till yesterday. And the entire bam no ever this year. So what I said yesterday was I said that the past, al pasar, am català, es forma am al verb anar al present, ¿sí? Am al verb anar al present, més l'infinitiu del verb de la frase, ¿sí? Doncs, és això, el verb anar conjugat al present, ¿sí? Al present, i llavors més l'infinitiu del verb de la frase. See? So, ruling and what I said is, in Catalan, to form the past, what they do is, they pick the verb anar, which means to go. And then, plus the infinitive of the main verb. So, I was conjugation the other motion, so what I mean by infinitive, they say the root verb, no, I never say unya. The root verb. As a camera, granamwa, Javier. So what I mean by infinitive, when I say, for instance, if you say I go, so I'll go away, no. Where no. For instance, if you say I go. So I go where no. Where no. Sorry, I don't quite know phone no start. But no lie. I'm poor to us. Alright, now it should be done. So the end to us. Okay. So what I mean by infinitive when I say come away. Now better. So so when I say infinitive, what I mean by infinitive is if you have this sentence, I go home. See, this go no is a verb, but you are conjugating into the present tense. This is I go, you go, he goes. See, and the way you hear infinitive is the verb I are conjugating. So what I mean infinitive, it has to be this form, to go. What must I say? So to go Català bemao ana. See, but say I go a batch. Nti so na da nti ye verbs no e say who say unity. Nti say to go dia ana, but I go dia batch, you batch. Nti difference no. Nti make infinitive the root verb with to in English, but in Catalan also who say before I go to my form past tenses. So it's quite simple. Now, I was waiting here because now I share live. Now we can say month when you me dim birthday, full February ni na me dim birthday. Enti, I be share dia nka sa na asem no. Now, so now let's see the verb ana. Kwa be na be fa so a ye de be kan another verb ho amana ya pass. Enti, you see verb ana no conjugation into the present tense. Enti ana ana to go mo enti your batch to bus ella ba nosaltres anem vosaltres aneu els i elles. Vale. Now, assembling in any. Enti verb ana present tense ni. Now, sharing so. To form the past no. Say about we and you plural. Nosaltres omu yusu bam and bel. See? And the difference in any. So who you soon if the one I use to form the past personal pronouns I, you, he or she, any they, and you the normal present of a noun. But about we and you plural normal use bam and bell. You have examples over here and how no pressure. You be near your see? And the opposite we have past tense, opposite can say more at your Català. Nobody can use verb we, and depending on the sentence, pronoun are way to sue. But about nosaltres, which is we, and then you, yeah, and I'm about they use bam, and then bail. And this are not into way, and then way. Any way, yeah, past tense ya and come on. Yeah, past tense ya, we move a share on my nine. Into your best sentence is CI or better. So present tense is the anem we go, anem we go. But say we went here, anem we ya duma bio. Yes or bam ana say enti where we went bam ana. What must I say? Enti say your conjugate your person can say come air past tense here. Say them come that's it. But we drew nos altras, any nos altras. Some you know pe and in the present tense they take it as bam and then bell. Any difference it won't. So now we have the ana to form the past. I will show video no wait me like you know share. Why? I don't know. Tell them can be on your pen book to be another to and also. Board Nusra make us up on an me point. All right, so yanya ana now you check a sentence in English. We bought and now we masa mama sentence why we loved yesterday's match mo na we cross be say no we the later because I am going to say verbs were pronouns attach on but for now we are very complicated. So we bought a car last week. Okay, so here's the case. We have this sentence. We bought a car last week. So what I said is you pick a noun present tense, then you add the infinitive of the main verb of the sentence, which is bought. So bought is conjugated at the past tense. Anyway, and then infinitive. And the infinitive make us say the infinitive here to buy. To buy. And to buy, no. And also we find the word the infinitive Català. Now what media form so pass way. So to buy Català you can say comprar, see? Comprar. And it said it's like the Castellana comprar. See? Fine. And the infinitive for me comprar. That must say. So now we and the yana I can say a personal pronouns no more. We no one. Now we is nos altras. See? And the and anem, but anem no you can just say yeah form pass some anyway and count. So we replace them with bam and bell. See? Until we bought a car last week. Bam. See? Mechanical pronouns no is optional. Open so meaning use. So bam comprar. See? Bam comprar. Un coche é Castellà. Oba Català. Cocha. David, Kai. Cocha. Vamos comprar un cocha la semana pasada. La semana pasada. 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 Okay, so we have the sentence. We got it. So bam comprar, bam, you know, ana, bam we bought. See bam comprar. So this is infinitive. What must I say? Into silent here. Into bam, then the main verb, the infinitive, and then where we. So bam comprar un coche la semana pasada. See? So we bought a car last week. Past, no saying it here. So another verb, another sentence. You're gonna take another sentence. See? I was also an hour share with my like Sonia Dia. So now the they cooked rice yesterday. Okay, now we have the sentence. They cooked rice yesterday. See? Now, in Catalan, what will it give us? They. So, they is else or ellas. See? So, the conjugation is ban. See? Pertany. Ban quina. Ban quina. Arroz. Aí. Now what can I say? See? Ban quina arroz aí. So you have al verbe ana al present, mais l'infinitiu del verbe principal de la frase. See? And down. So who master this technique? Past tense, assembly in the past, because you will always use this. See, and then add the verb principal, the main verb of the sentence into the as a secret thing. Until another example. See, that's the only secret. There's no difference. No. If you master this, you are good to go. You can say anything in the past tense in Catalan. It's not that difficult. See, now my dad, my father and I went. My father and I went. Abusango mi phone mesramo me de ya de mamu friends so mesramo ada mesramo I guess mesramo enti me wia na yakasa mesramo phone na ya show top am de ya de mesramo pa. Now we have a long one. My father and I my father and I went to the market to help my mom. Enti a very long one. We fast. Enti to help this we say our infinitive. Once to know accompany. And it means that this sentence we say I was saying to say in the infinitive form. Simple as that. Entity. My father and I went to the market to help my mom. Ne Català past tense. Al meu pare io. Say my father and I. Al meu pare io. Al meu pare. Kai say pronouns meu, meba. Yeah. Mr. Moada. Me kasa So al meu pare io bam. So al meu pare io hano sentence my father and I. Enti una always enti my father and I. Yeah, conjugation one. Personal pronouns na ewo hano. My father and I. If I never fall it. Ona was so my father and I, which I keep pronouns no more follow. Me papa ne me. Enti ni twi bra ye mwa. My father and I. Enti ye me. So we mwa. Enti ye ha. So we no ya say anem no na present but ye ne past e so ba. See? Enti assembly enti we me papa me papa we ye me. So al meu para yo bam, see? Bam into the first form. When you are real. Now feel aka went into the infinitive to go into to go near and you can say to go here ana infinitive into bam ana. See? Bam ana we went. And this two letters in one means we went. Letters they say words mean we pen. Actually say we went. Bam ana we went. Nti wanya past tense no super clear. O kana you be atrim de sana admit secret ne wo nyina no. Oh, nti bam ana we went. So almo para yo bam ana ena me kase market your friends saying bam ana al mercat market mercat. Nti to help ajudar ou para ajudar bam ana al mercat ajudar a la meva mare. Perfect. So, ladies and gentlemen, we got him. So my father and I, my papa name me inti ayeye. So we, and inti na bam wa. See, we. So bam. See, bam ana so to go. Because infinitive. Ana mas infinitive. Inti ana no ho, and then ana no asa repeating ho in the past tense. Inti ebenya bam. Ana, we went al mercat ajudar a la meva mare ou per ajudar a la meva mare. Io che sé. Sì? Enti yeti asiye mwa. Yeti asiye, sì? Mo hwena mo nyai ana mo yai. So make an Safi no about if this is your first time on this platform, this is Catalan basic classes with Sir Alfred for newcomers in the area, and then for people who want to learn Catalan, especially the youth. So I was again here. Your Catalonia you live there, then I found it very necessary to be able to get an idea a bit of Catalan or Mojano Catalonia ha. It opens a lot of doors. Sometimes you were this. Na Castellana. No, but who live in Catalonia na Catalan el can it opens doors. It is a passport el Catalonia. Is the fact. Don't think say ebia me tin na person. No, me person usunya so ya de say usunya because pono just to understand and to be able to speak Catalan ebie okro we mo no. Ghana for near before I've been in Yambaso. So it's my duty. I was say I've been in Baso. So me and Fosuna Catalan. No enjoy say a hankwan or mocano, a hankwan or mocano no. A hakwan or mocano crab. Punubi a baby hamano. Have I out there? Enti sana deneti. So pick up a pen na bibiana ojo to na yetwaso. So enti anwano no. Enti past tense in there. Past tense there. Who you see where you are good to go, see? Who you see where you are good to go. Alright. So as I was saying, man to when I am birthday, you share Columbia no Kodemika. Now and also no. Now give me another sentence so that a bit in the topic now you are going to another field. See? And then your last sentence now you fancy her. You as in plural. You more so you you wanted see, you loved her a lot. You loved her a lot. Beu, see? Beu, estimar. Beu estimar. La veu estimar molt. See? La veu estimar massa. O molt. See? Molt is is a lot. Mol. So mol is a lot, and then massa is baby more than a lot. See? So you love her a lot. So la here stands for her. La veu estimar is to love. Mol is a lot. Massa is more than a lot. See? So still we have veu, and now present tense, and then estimar, which is to love. See? Pertant, tenim, infinitive, present tense, you form the past simple and tia. See? So that's how it goes. And you know, let me leave it on the board for just some seconds. Now you're right into a different field. See? I was on the past tense, you know, so question being you better also from here. See, let me I know I'm going to video on to about your class anywhere. Maybe this your first time here, no. Me the full video look to my YouTube page. And Ubi me profile now also YouTube page link below. Ubi I do back on in case you work on you about the feel now the do akoma ubeti ma here na Català also when he abaso katra because all practicing na country. See? Okay. And one no simple. Okay. I was before I said to us no and I know you're gonna and any weekends of this edition of the class. You know, if you are assembly at the person can Català, obi a on feeling and simple one you be there. Obi can Català, obi my prayer no comment section ho. Say we mo na maboa and na translate. Nowadays one boy say ya. Sasa mo say why na person ka kire no kra na what me aye dey can Català na e fine. And if you have any sentence or anything you want to say in Catalan, like for ABI and anything with my friend comment section also, na ya boa actually. So now we are done with the past. See, Molbe. You are done with the past. So you reflect your mind kakra, you refresh your mind kakra, because your past tense, your present, and your past. So present tense, at present, you can say. We know the iron up to past tense and I mean born proper fast. Na no one. So you can say present tense in Catalan there are three groups. One with AR, the other with ER, and then RE, and then we have the other one which ends with IR. And see you can see and the verbs, present tense, we group them into three categories: AR verbs, ER, and then IR. And the rapport conjugation, from next week you can be conjugation out to work a crap. Now you're saying we different field. And now you can say the verbs ending with AR, cantar, you cantu. And you can say you pick the root verb, and you eliminate the ending. And then you add these endings to the verb. Now when you're present tense. So cantar, cantu, two cantas. See? ES. See? Canta, cantem, canteu y cantan. See? Cantan. Vale? So you can say endings nini. Now R-E-N-M prendra. You can say prend, you can say omo ewo yua, omo aya. More often omo end with C. For instance, prendra. Enti preng, enti yo. Preng. See? Enti you can say omo no more often, you know, the I end with and the need so the need to have the need our present and only yeah IR. So the need think think irregular verbs and also no yeah who some can so and never pass and a pass we said al pasar past we said ana which is to go present tense and then plus infinitive of the main verb anti sanity. Anti abusua that's it. Anti you can say we mun say no. For instance, biura to leave. So your bisque to bills. Okay, so you can say now follow this this type into verbs be end with regular verbs be no say you can say there. See bibiu ending. So you pick the root, then you add the ending. I will show you be free conjugation field in kakra for some weeks, for some days. Now you have another field of kasano there you be practice and kasa you practicals no den na na I don't know to me about because kasa no o can now practice. So I said say you benya session bia maybe multi guest no atum na o send invitation ba na ya practice Catalan ya ho na ya practice bibini na kan I say ya tino na kan the correct way na ya boa so I was say ya practice na ya boa so dia ya yeni nti ya ba be si past nti nyame adomo a mrabem de da ho fry beko future na just ya end this conjugation no unya past present past future na just you are good to go then na ya shall say ahwe enyoma din ni de to aso so my name is Alfred say ni unimu no with me a share with my catcher afoforo so say ekoso wa ekoso. all right. I was here. So now so let's adapt the future now. Yeah, we conjugation for any. So me I don't want. It's not Monday. You shall say yeah conjugation. So let me end up the conjugation. See. All right. So ending up the conjugation, it will give us. C'est your futur. See. Futur. Et oui, le prénom. Future tense. Adi we seen nyansi. Na at much again akara wo so nti wo hunu na. O pese o kan wasem. Future tense. And then end with present and then past and then future end. So how do we form the future tense in Catalan? Quite simple. See? Quite simple. You pick the root, the infinitive. You pick the infinitive of the verb, plus endings. See? Say the formal future tense. Oh, Català. You pick the verb. Al verb sense the infinitive, and then you add endings. Yeah, made the mouse is here, and it's quite simple. See, so I will show quite simple. So you pick the verb sense, al verb infinitive of the verb nina. Then now the endings in atwaso. You are done with Catalan future. See. Okay, and the young examples be verb bit is a parlar. See? Parlar, every parlar. And yo parlare, see? And the future, and the shaha no more anymore. See? Parla. Wow. What's that? Or repeating verb? Parla. What's a repeating verb? Now what day? Parlare. Now this are ending, what shall I say? And the endings, you know, the name of mouse is here. And to form future tense in Catalan, dear, anyone say you are the mama beer. You pick the full verb, you add the ending, now the mouse is here. See? Now you agree. So where you yo, where you I. See yo parlare. Tu what you can parlar, no? No, what you can repeat the same verb, no? Tu parlarás. Now, one man ending. Tu parlarás. You will talk or you will speak. See? And the ending, Catalan future, no? Yeah, you know, fufuru di eno. Ella, parlar. One repeating verb, no? Then you add parlará. You add the ending. And the ending is not a word meaning, no? And the conjugate parlar, you know. Never be a future and be an I was able to conjugate in it was. See? And nosaltres. No, I repeat verb, no? Parlar, then you add nosaltres parlarem. You add the ending. Oh, not just a future one. See? Vosaltres. Now I repeat the verb, no? Parla. Now I'm ending el. Vosaltres parlareu. You will speak. See? Or you will talk. So, els y ellas parla. Now I repeat the verb, no? Parlarán. They will speak or they will talk. See? Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. And this are the future tense is formed in Catalan. Vale? This is how it's formed. So we have the example of parlar, which means to talk or to speak. See? To talk. To talk. And I will speak. So this is I will talk. See? This is you will talk. See? Now this is he or she will talk. Now this is we will talk. And then you, plural, you will talk. Then lastly, they will talk. There you go. So, ladies and gentlemen, we got it. So, only go on. So, that's it. You have the future tense in Catalan. Super simple, super easy. You pick the full verb. Then you add these endings. So, E with accent, A, S with accent, A with accent, and then E, M, E, U, A, N. Parlaran grammar. I'm going to make accent, no? I'm going to make sure say also. Exactly, yeah. Parlaran. The last one doesn't have an accent. See? So, Abusia ended that one. So you pick, you will see another verb say here, I know say the can say it here. So you pick the verb, the full verb, then you add the then what we For instance, we have another verb. Option, is it okay? Sanity enti oba so abetimi ahye so na ofoforo so nsa ka bini ade na ofoforo so nsa ka bini ade na ato so future tense ni gbogbo oni akoma na obenya pen bi na odi ajo to bibia to ha na so nke no so be bo afan pa ni ade enti na wo ho no. So infinitive of the verb obefa full verb no, then you add these endings depending on the sentence you are forming. So you pick you add the endings. Let's check up another verb. See, let's check up another verb. See, vale. For instance, another verb. Let's check another verb. For instance, correct. Vale, correct. And your verbs name na ana follow the say they be American. So your rules for but more often you know ultimately say e be mo free mu kakra exceptions bam. So verbs no so you better one but more often na gasa no say na etie. So correct, corra, see corra am Català, corra. Corre no. Corra, vale? Corra. Molve. Corra, see? Corra. Yo corrare. Corrare. Sì? Molto bene. Io corrare. Tu correrás. Sì? Abbiamo follow there. Tu correrás. Ella correrá. Sì? Nosotros correremos. Correrem. Vosaltres correreu. Correreu. Eles correrão. Correrão. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, we got him. We got him. Into future na. So corra means to run. So I ran. You ran. He or she runs. I will. Present tense. I will run. You will run. He or she will run. Now the runner show. See? We will run. We will run. See? Remember, you will run. You will run. Then the last, they will run. So I'm showing that down. Simple as simple as the original. So there you go. So basically, this is the basically we future tense in Catalan. But I say never can, you know. There are some verbs are omono change kakra. But the main law one kasa way, you know. And pick the full verb no send it to infinitive, then you add up the endings according to sentence opese we den o form. See? Ene wo hono ye hwe no so kakra. Na me mamo other verbs are in the future enye just like this. No no suban hye kakra. Ye be hwe ba ko mi no na je say ye de ene session no e de asia. Enti na me kai wada say me birthday month mu ana me no birthday no ye nya hura February no mu a me di full day no nti tambia me share bia o February mu bia o de me ka day no de emfa day no February no nko ade me di birthday anti sana de no so let's check it out for just some minutes and then I'll come back. Mama pension be engo me minim na ye mehwe verbs are anti say pepe na no so assessant in the future tense. Me vai see ya. Awusia se na me nkasa no de mbetumi like video no mbet ase me no munsu aba enti no srew enti o twere we no na o like na o share o de sanity me ba Abusia sanity thanks for the likes Abusia. Let me continue. Enche your repon why this is my birthday month in Team Sremo. No what now you share me cleaning tea me sure say what try again there so let me clean it now shall verb for in the future tense. See? So es corra to run and you corre Castellà but Català is corra, see? Corra, don't correrás, you will run. So es corra, no corre. You have pronunciation, you see? So Català is corra.